Hey everyone, and welcome back to the show. We're thrilled to have you here with us today. Whether you're a longtime viewer or a first-time guest, we promise you an exciting and enlightening experience. Today we're diving into a topic that holds incredible power: hypnosis. Hypnosis is often shrouded in mystery and misconceptions, but we're here to demystify it for you. We're going to unlock the secrets of your subconscious mind and how it can help you achieve success and wealth. Many people misunderstand hypnosis, thinking it's just a party trick or a form of entertainment. They think of stage shows and swinging pocket watches. While those can be fun, they only scratch the surface of what hypnosis truly is. But the truth is, hypnosis is a powerful tool for change. It's a scientifically backed method that can help you reprogram your mind for success, break bad habits, and even improve your health. It can help you achieve amazing things in your life. Imagine being able to overcome your fears, boost your confidence, and reach your highest potential. We'll explore how hypnosis works, its incredible benefits, and how you can use it to achieve your goals. We'll talk to experts, share real-life success stories, and even guide you through some simple techniques you can try at home. Get ready to unlock your full potential. Let's get started. Stay with us as we embark on this fascinating journey into the world of hypnosis. You won't want to miss a single moment of what's coming up next. Think of your mind like an iceberg. The tip above the water, that's your conscious mind. It's what you're thinking about right now. But below the surface, there's a much larger part, your subconscious mind. This is where your beliefs, habits, and automatic behaviors reside. Your subconscious mind is incredibly powerful. It controls almost everything you do. From your reactions to your decisions, your subconscious is in the driver's seat. The key to success and wealth is understanding how to communicate with your subconscious mind. And that's where hypnosis comes in. Hypnosis is a natural state of focused attention. It's like being so engrossed in a book or movie that you lose track of time. In this relaxed state, your subconscious mind becomes more open to suggestion. It's like bypassing the critical filter of your conscious mind. This allows you to plant positive seeds directly into your subconscious. You can change limiting beliefs, build confidence, and attract abundance. Hypnosis is safe and effective. It's not about mind control. It's about empowering you to take control of your own mind. Imagine your subconscious mind like a computer program. If it's running outdated software, you'll get outdated results. Hypnosis allows you to rewrite the code. You can replace negative thoughts and self-doubt with positive affirmations and unwavering belief. Think about your goals. Do you want to increase your income, improve your relationships? Hypnosis can help you reprogram your mind for success in any area of your life. It's about identifying the limiting beliefs that are holding you back and replacing them with empowering ones. Section 5. Breaking down your mental barriers. We all have mental barriers. These barriers are often invisible, yet they are incredibly powerful. These are the self-imposed limits that prevent us from achieving our full potential. They manifest as doubts, fears, and negative self-talk. These barriers can sound like "I'm not good enough, I'll never be wealthy," or "I'm just not cut out for success." They are the voices in our heads that tell us we can't, even when we can. These thoughts can be paralyzing, making us feel stuck and helpless. But the good news is, they are just thoughts, and thoughts can be changed. Hypnosis helps you break down these barriers. It allows you to access your subconscious mind where these limiting beliefs reside. It allows you to see these thoughts for what they are, just thoughts. Through hypnosis, you can reframe these negative beliefs and replace them with positive ones. And thoughts can be changed. This realization is the first step towards breaking free from your mental barriers. By reprogramming your subconscious mind, you can overcome your fears, doubts, and insecurities. This process involves consistent practice and a willingness to change. You can overcome your fears, doubts, and insecurities. Imagine the freedom and empowerment that comes with breaking these chains. You can achieve anything you set your mind to. The possibilities are endless when you free yourself from these mental constraints. You can achieve anything you set your mind to. Remember, the only limits that exist are the ones you place on yourself. Break them down and watch your life transform. Section 6. Hypnosis and wealth, a powerful connection. Many people believe that wealth is just about luck or circumstance, but the truth is, wealth is an inside job. It starts with your mindset. If you believe you're worthy of wealth and abundance, you'll attract it into your life. Hypnosis can help you develop a wealth consciousness. It can help you overcome your limiting beliefs about money and open yourself up to unlimited possibilities. Remember, wealth is more than just money. It's about living a fulfilling and abundant life. Section 7. They did it, and you can too. Many successful individuals have used hypnosis to achieve their goals. From athletes to entrepreneurs to celebrities, hypnosis has helped people from all walks of life. Tiger Woods, for example, has spoken openly about using hypnosis to improve his focus and performance in golf. Oprah Winfrey has also credited hypnosis for helping her overcome her traumatic past and achieve incredible success. These individuals prove that hypnosis is a powerful tool for anyone who wants to unlock their full potential. Section 8. Ready to begin? Simple steps to start. Embarking on a journey of self-improvement can seem daunting, but it doesn't have to be. With a few simple steps, you can start experiencing the transformative power of hypnosis and self-hypnosis today. You don't need to be a hypnosis expert to experience its benefits. Hypnosis is a natural state of focused attention and heightened suggestibility. It's something we all experience in our daily lives, often without even realizing it. For instance, have you ever been so engrossed in a book or a movie that you lost track of time? That's a form of hypnosis. There are simple techniques you can start practicing today. One technique is self-hypnosis. Self-hypnosis is a powerful tool that allows you to tap into your subconscious mind and make positive changes. It's a skill that anyone can learn with a bit of practice and patience. Find a quiet place, close your eyes, and focus on your breathing. Take slow, deep breaths, and allow yourself to relax. As you breathe in, imagine filling your body with calm and peace. As you breathe out, let go of any tension or stress. This simple act of mindful breathing can help you enter a state of relaxation and readiness for self-hypnosis. Repeat positive affirmations to yourself, such as "I am worthy of success." Affirmations are powerful statements that can help reprogram your subconscious mind. By repeating them regularly, you can start to believe in your own potential and capabilities. Choose affirmations that resonate with you and reflect the changes you want to see in your life. Or, "I attract abundance into my life." These affirmations can be about anything you want to achieve or improve, whether it's your career, relationships, health, or personal growth. The key is to be consistent and sincere in your practice. Another effective technique is visualization. Visualization involves creating a vivid mental picture of your desired outcome. It's like daydreaming with a purpose. When you visualize, you engage your imagination and emotions, making your goals feel more real and attainable. Create a vivid mental picture of yourself achieving your goals. Imagine every detail, from the sights and sounds to the emotions you feel. The more detailed and realistic your visualization, the more powerful it becomes. This technique can help you stay motivated and focused on your path to success. Imagine how it feels, what it looks like, and the emotions you experience. Consistency is key. The more you practice these techniques, the more you'll reprogram your subconscious mind for success. Over time, you'll start to notice positive changes in your thoughts, behaviors, and overall outlook on life. The more you practice these techniques, the more you'll reprogram your subconscious mind for success. Remember, change doesn't happen overnight. It requires dedication and persistence. But with regular practice, you'll find yourself becoming more confident, focused, and in tune with your true potential. So, are you ready to begin? Take the first step today and start your journey towards a more fulfilling and successful life. Section 9. Finding the right hypnotist for you. If you're looking for more guidance, consider working with a qualified hypnotist. They can create a personalized plan to help you achieve your specific goals. When choosing a hypnotist, look for someone who is certified and experienced. Ask for referrals or read online reviews. It's important to feel comfortable and safe with your hypnotist. Trust your intuition and choose someone you resonate with. Remember, hypnosis is a partnership. You and your hypnotist will work together to unlock your full potential. Section 10. Keep the momentum going. Once you've experienced the power of hypnosis, it's important to keep the momentum going. Make it a part of your daily routine. Continue practicing self-hypnosis or visualization. Listen to hypnosis recordings or attend group sessions. Surround yourself with positive influences. Read books, listen to podcasts, and connect with people who support your growth. Remember, change takes time and effort. Be patient with yourself and celebrate your progress along the way. Section 11. Join the journey. So there you have it. Hypnosis is a powerful tool for unlocking your potential and achieving success and wealth. It's about understanding the power of your subconscious mind and using it to your advantage. I encourage you to explore the world of hypnosis and discover its incredible benefits for yourself. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to the channel for more empowering content. Until next time, take care.